Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch seahorse in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to show you my collection and I'm going to open my fish observation. Okay, and this is the seahorse. I'm going to open up the details information about the seahorse. Okay, if you want to catch this seahorse, you need to go to the whale sea. And I'm already out there. I'm already at the whale sea, guys. And I'm going to show you the location on the map right here. This is the whale sea near the whale mountain. Okay, and you can catch the seahorse around this area. And let me open the information again guys about the active period. I'm going to go to the collection, fish observation, and seahorse. Okay, for the source is from the whale sea, and for the active period it's daily, and you can catch the seahorse in any weather: sunny days, rainy days, or during the rainbow event. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the seahorse in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!